what's up, YouTube family? Do me a favor, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. No introduction needed. Y'all see what's going on in the background. That's where we're headed to. Gun protection, safety, GPS. Let's get up in there, man, make some things happen, all right? You shot this?
Not yet.
PX9 carry. Nice trigger. Great price. Oh, that's not optic ready? You can't get an optic on here? Well, you gotta put an adapter or something?
Yeah, we're gonna need an adapter.
Yeah. This feels really light too. It's got the striker in the back. Dry fire?
Sure. Nice
reset. Ooh.
Quick.
That's not bad, man.
Kind of reminds me of the Cat.
Oh my gosh, yes. And that price.
It's about 150 less than the Cat.
GPS, man, come on up here. Check them out. I like that, man.
Have you shot it before? It's a 5-6 shot. What's up?
Let's set up, see what we got going on in here today.
I know you're a better shot than that. It's just more so got off the bid. You know what I mean?
I didn't bring too much stuff with me. Got that with me. Got that with me. With the Timney trigger on it. Yes, sir.
I kill us, bro. Fuck that.
I brought this with me because I had to switch something up on here, so I just want to check it out and see how it works. So I brought that too. Brought the Mossberg 22 LR. Brought that out. Played with it a little bit. And HK 22 LR 416. Little lightweight stuff, man. Have a little fun today. You know what I'm saying? A little fun day. Gun day, fun day. All right, we're gonna start with the 22 LR HK.
What was the first one? Yeah. More fun. It's just the receiver.
Did you put that 18 in that?
Yeah. Fire.
There we go.
Fire, ice.
We cut.
Oh.
Nice love.
He also did the USB. He filled ice and I think no, not water. It was something else, I forgot. But no, I think it filled on those two. I could be wrong. I gotta rewatch that shit. I watched it probably like 6 months ago. Ran thumb, sort of. Yeah, torture test. Yeah. All nines, yeah. All nines, so I think he did it in 1911, so that was 45, but of course it's not gonna pass.
Yeah, that's not going to pass. I think with the court on this,
I would.
why?
See if it'll function.
What?
God forbid if war made it happen. No, sometimes there's chuck that shit. That's the first one. Your shit works. You know it shoots. Do you know if it will work after it gets dropped? Pulling another one.
Is that so exciting?
I'm just saying, it's a possibility. If you ever took sports where you're actually running, either you're not in this.
Have you shot your piece? You guys shot your None of you guys have? Alright, I'm the range safety officer. Well, I'm one of the range safety officers. My name is Ricky. This is Tommy. He's the other range safety officer. You guys mind putting your eyes on? I'm not that good. Have you guys all shot guns before? Yeah. You guys all shot guns? Okay. This is your first time shooting?
That's better. Right through there, no problem. So, I don't think this is fire, but I'm gonna shoot it one time. I don't know if this sight is set. Learn to see.
I'm not sure. Actually, no, ask those guys.
Damn, that tingle pretty quick. Let's go with this other one real fast.
Mag dumped that joint, man. That shit look fun.
Huh?
So you got mag dumped that joint. That look fun.
It is fun. We'll go to the head on this one.
Alright, so. Ooh, sweet.
That's like 10 in there. You're gonna go so fast.
Oh, shit. Well, 9 now. Yo, what happened to your front post sight? Why are you doing so low? That's all low now. I like this. I actually might get this job for my son on some shit.
500. I got the 30, 30, and the 20.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's fire though.
And it's, you know, the ammo is lovely.
Cheap. Yo, it's crazy because I don't know if you hear it, but every time you shoot, you can hear the ding.
Yeah.
What is that? Is that coming from?
Echoing? I don't know. I heard it too.
I hear it too when I was shooting. I was like, what is that noise? I was like, damn, that's close to still.
Alright, so now what we gonna do?
Lane 6, lane
I want to
6, lane 6.
change. Matter of fact, I'm gonna bring him in a little bit and see. This is the sight that we adjusted, and this is the trigger. So we gonna see what this is hitting for.
As I'm holding it
With the Timney.
my left hand cramming it in my hand, so it's like, damn. That's why I'm like pulling low. Like, damn.
Bro, I woke up today, right? And I was sleeping on my hand like this. I thought I shit, I'm like, what's going on?
Start.
No, I should. I have like a hard time like gripping stuff. Like at the gym and stuff, like gripping. I think I have like some fucking nerve.
That's basically mine, bro. Like,
The nerve, if you have nerve damage, you would start from like
Yo,
here.
that was so nice. I gotta do
Yeah,
it
but
twice.
I think like, I don't know. I'd have to talk to my cousin about this. Yeah.
Woo.
Bro, I didn't for the first time in like a month. I got
I like it. I like that trigger. Damn. Woo. Yo, I like that trigger. Alright, I did some. I got a couple coming over on the side. Want to change and
Didn't
put
really get
another
into it.
target
Took
on
boxing
here,
for a year.
and then we're going
He's
to
like,
shoot.
you gotta constantly run. I'm like, fuck you.
We're going to mess
hate
around
running.
with this right
I
here,
hate-
and then we're going to come with the MPA 32.
Right.
We're going to shoot that.
But
Timney. Timney trigger.
sweet. Thank you, sir.
That joint crazy. Hold up, one second.
You want me to shoot fast, slow? Fast or slow?
Whatever you want to do.
All right.
Like fast. Do fast.
That's not bad. It still feel like a mil spec. Still feel like a mil spec. All right, let me try one.
Go 5 more in there, Joe. Go 5 more in there.
I ran it shit fast, but at 2 shots, I was trying to get it on the third one. I felt the hang up a little bit.
Yo, I like it, man.
I would just say it has a range to it. I like it too. I like it too. Trigger and a dagger. Sheesh. Appreciate that, bro.
Nice, right?
Hell yeah. I would say
What you say about the spring?
I would just say get a different shoe so you could. It's not a lot of
Get a hoop.
a new shoe, a new
Oh.
trigger shoe. I mean, not a new trigger shoe, a new.
Oh.
So it could be less travel. So bang, break. So you see how it got to like right there? It could be like right there if you wanted to.
Oh, okay.
See what I'm
Okay.
saying?
The bar.
The trigger bar. Yep.
I'm trying to get perfection, man.
Or if anything, try out a 11 Johnny Glock trigger.
Oh, man.
It's just $400.
That's all I be watching, man.
Same. I actually know the worker, the owner. I just never got in touch with him.
I was
Where
going to ask, did you ever try one of them?
I tried it.
Oh, yeah?
I like it.
Crazy,
It's way
right?
better than the Glock Performance trigger.
Say like 400 for the trigger?
It's a 1911 Glock Gen 5,
Gen 5, yeah.
2.5 pound trigger.
That's
just
crazy.
That's crazy.
All right, we gonna change the.
What's that deal?
Usually it's like 5. Mine's is built spec 5. I broke it into 3. I shot probably like 40,000 rounds with my gun, maybe even more. And now it feels like it's at 80 pounds. Or less than 80 pounds. Damn, bro. And then whatever your down the eye is, bring it towards you. So then you're right. Oh, Rick, that's another tip I can teach you too. So pretty much, if somebody don't know their dominant eye, have them at the target, put their hand out with a small and then look straight at it, and then whenever you bring it in slowly, it will go to your dominant eye.
I've been at the military.
Okay, cool. And then same thing with your thumb. You just point your thumb there, and you point the left eye, you see it move. Keep your right eye open, you see it move as well.
Shoot with both eyes open.
You don't? No, I don't. I don't.
I'm left eye down.
I keep both eyes open.
Well, you got. Okay. Yeah, how?
We're gonna go.
Fucking crazy. You're shooting this whole time. Right on. Yeah, no, groove is fine. Your trigger pull. Oh, my bad. You know, I'm here a better shooter.
Hey, I saw you last week. I can't do that.
So, bring your gun up to your right eye. Remember your trigger pull.
Okay.
You good?
Alright, so
Yep. Alright, we're going to rock out with this. We'll go in the middle, then we're going to go to the head.
Because she did this when she shot her hand like that, I have to step in and say something that's totally insane. You're not going to
See, that's what I be trying to get away with, that surprise, man. Sitting way too quick, man. Sitting way too quick. Alright, go slow.
How you doing, Rusty?
Load and make ready. All right, don't put your right thumb on top of the left. Your front full sight. So you gotta bring it up to your eye level. So now prep your trigger, take the slack out of your trigger. Alright, whenever you're ready.
I kind of went all over the place. I had to hit that Timney trigger drawer, man.
A little too low.
I only killed 2 dead people on the side.
Get on that hard. Are you anticipating?
Yeah.
No? Your right eye dominant, right? Yeah. Are you closing your right eye?
Yeah, absolutely. So, yeah, before I started coaching you, I used to suck at shooting, dude. I used to be real bad. And then there's some cues I learned, and now I'm a lot better. Okay. So, again, the reason I'm doing that. Just load it up. Yeah. So
put your finger in the trigger.
what I always tell people, how long you been shooting?
A little more.
Consider yourself a beginner.
Less than.
Okay, all right. I used to tell beginners, work with one hand, and you see that little curve. Hey, this hand. Yeah. Well, there's physical. Well, here's the thing with muscle memory. Muscle memory is good if you got the right muscle memory. If you're anticipating the shot, if your muscle memory is telling you to do this every time you shoot, your muscle memory's fucked up. You know what I mean? So, I'm gonna.
So it's on my right eye, right?
Okay. Gotcha. That seems quick.
Yeah. That's a pro bag.
Okay.
There's got a little bit of a space to it.
So it's good though, right?
Yeah. Okay. A little bit. Yeah. The other one is. This is an afternoon.
So grip how I
don't shoot on my left eye. I shoot right with it. But that's my thought.
Alright, so we're gonna start with this one first. So try to swallow as much as I mean it's gonna be impossible to get in, but try to
Bringing the gun to your
take
dominant
this
eye.
hand,
Just
like
so.
this.
Just rest your cheek. Your
This trigger was changed too. I just want to see.
your dominant eye. Once you see your dot, go ahead and
And
pull.
this is stabilizing it. This is punch out wherever you're looking at.
That worked good.
Where are you gonna aim for?
No.
Let's just do the orange.
Trigger.
So punch out, and then slowly pull.
Not around
pull.
fast and your bolt carrier.
Slowly pull. I don't know where that one. Alright, try again. Slowly pull.
Yeah.
Try to get in that orange. Slowly pull. I think it's going well. You're shooting over here.
Long body shit.
Yep, right there, man. Just focus right on there. Slow.
Alright, now I'm going to go slow.
You're shooting too fast.
Try to go
So you
more to the
aim
middle.
for that X right there, and slowly pull the trigger. Think of millimeters.
In effect, nah, I'm going to change the
Slowly
target.
pull. Slowly pull. There you go. You got closer right there. Yep. Yep. Now punch out again. Slowly pull. Slowly pull.
So y'all can see.
There you go. Right there. Put the gun down.
I was going a little extra up in that middle.
So right there, you see that's
like
where you
two
got,
people
right?
with the
So
background over
before
there.
you were out, I couldn't even see where the other ones. I think it was here, and then every time you're getting a little bit better because those slow it down. Yeah, because you're practicing everything right. Your grip's got to be right. The sight alignment of your shots can be good. So what you did there, I want you to just work on. Yeah, because if you did it like if you ever see Tommy how he shoots, you're gonna be shooting like him. Yeah, because he's fucking good, but he practices. Right?
Well, yeah. But it's like all of those four things that you just told me: stance, cover.
So, grip, sight alignment, trigger squeeze. So with stance, did you say stance is one of them?
Well, stance is the first one, right?
Yeah, shoot. Yeah, you're gonna have to shoot like this. If you're hiding behind this thing, you don't have the privilege. You gotta do this. So if you have the privilege of standing like this, stand. But what if you don't have that privilege? So stance kind of goes.
Aim.
Don't think of firing the gun. Think of pulling the trigger and letting the gun do the work. So you're just pulling the trigger, and then the gun is going to go off, and the shot's going to go exactly where you want. If you control it too much, again, that's what creates all this bullshit, you know. So I'm going to watch you shoot some more. So again. Right there, bro. Right there. Nice. Good job. Punch out. Slowly pull the trigger. Right there. A little bit off, but closer than before.
Slow down a little bit more.
Alright. Slowly pull the trigger. Just slow. Just think of millimeters pulling that trigger. Dude, right there. Put the gun down. Bro, you got right there.
Okay.
You got right in there. Dude, you're shooting fucking
About to get
all
with the
over
big
the place,
boys,
right?
baby.
Everything I told you, you're doing it right.
Okay.
And because of that, you got right in there, dude.
I think the best thing was like that millimeter.
Yeah.
I'm waiting and anticipation for that pull, right?
Yep,
Okay.
because again, when you... I think that went right.
I always
in
have
there.
a problem trying to figure out where to hold this at.
That was off, that one right there.
Safety. Iron the hole.
Right there. Right there.
I would keep practicing this.
Believe it or not, me teaching you makes me better at shooting. Believe it or not, me teaching you makes me better at shooting. In return, I need you to teach that to someone else. Because when you teach something, you get better at it. In return, I need you to teach that to someone else. Because
All about it.
when you teach something, you get better at the thing itself.
I'm for it.
That's it.
There we go. They are.
So, again, even with like me and Tommy, like you're put it right, but sometimes I'm like,
Well, yeah.
yeah, it just shows sometimes on, off. What you want is a grouping. You want a nice grouping. You don't want the shit to be all, if it's all over the place, then we can't figure out what. At least if you're aiming right here and you're right there, we can at least diagnose that to bring you up here. But if it's here, it's like, oh, what the hell tell you? You should have
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. All on some up in here, right up in here. Bring it all up. It fit.
Let's go there. Let's go there. Not too bad. But now he came back and said he seen you. Oh, he about to leave.
It's getting there. I'm gonna go grab a fresh paper. Yeah. So I can do that art all the way.
And it's pretty simple.
Alright, that's all folks. Like, comment, and subscribe. We done with this show out here today. And we'll be back with new purchases. And we're going to bring that out here. Waiting for it to get to the NFL. Out here and shoot it. Stay tuned. That's going to be fun. I'll at y'all later. Peace. Let me show y'all where I was aiming at. I was aiming for the privates. Alright, later.
It's caught in the crossfire.
Let me see your war face.